The truth is, after I had a meeting with Wayne, I had a relationship with Baby, so. When I used to go to New Orleans, I would hang out with him. He had me in the purple little, whatever that car was. Remember them purple little cars?
Prowler. The Prowler.
Prowler going down the street, no top. People trying to jump in the car, So I felt it was only right to call him. I called him out of respect, like, yo, I was talking to Wayne, just letting you know, boom, boom, boom. So after that, I think we received a letter at our office for like torturous interference.
Whoa.
From a lawyer, and I was like, whoa.
Was it sports?
They do that?
It was like, whoa. And it just all went from there. But, I think I would rather, lose that situation and do the right thing than the opposite. Because I think I could have just, I could have signed him. I could have signed him and then told him after. But, I did the right thing, and I'm cool with that decision.